Hello, everyone. I am Alexandre Santos. I'm an OutSystems expert architect and proud member of One Act to Change team, and I'm here to present you EnableBank, the application that can change for better the life of millions and millions of people. This project born with a collaboration with Entity Data and Adapters Organization, a non-profit organization that focuses on helping people with disabilities and to contribute to a fair and more inclusive way, especially for children and young people. Assistive products play a vital role in the day-to-day of people with disabilities. In some cases, they are indispensable for a minimum quality of life. However, these products are so expensive they become inaccessible for many families, making the challenge even bigger. Additionally, the National Health Service, although have a process system to pay for these products, the process is very complex, time-consuming, and in some cases can take up 2 years. Taking also into account that pediatric ages, these equipments quickly no longer fit and need to be replaced. That's why we built EnableBank. EnableBank is the platform that will create the bridge between someone who's looking for an assistive product and someone who has this equipment and no longer need it. We will cover the both perspectives. The seeker, as John, who's looking for an assistive product, and Andrea, the publisher, someone who manages a list of stock product and she works in a public institution. And before jumping to the application, let me present you Banky, our cat AI assistant that will help us throughout the experience of the application. So let me share my application screen, and here it is. So let's imagine that we are John at this moment, and John is looking for a vertical, a standing frame, okay? But he's not an expert in this subject, so he's going to be spontaneous, intuitive, and he's going to search something like for a vertical aligner or something that helps him to stand by his feet. And we created a system that allows people to do that, and with Banky help, of course. Let's say vertical support. And let's search for it. And Banky found on our vector database that yes, probably I'm looking for a standing frame, and I can, as the common marketplaces, look for the photos that the publisher added, the description, the price, or even if it's a donation or a renting, and I can check the details, the location, and everything. So let's imagine, for instance, that I'm also looking for a wheelchair. And I'm just going to be direct. I want a wheelchair, and Bank is looking for products that matches. And yes, here it is. I have a bunch of wheelchairs that I can navigate. So let's go into this one, for example. So here is a wheelchair, and probably John, before contacting the publisher, he wants to clarify some doubts, some specific questions, even either on the technical subject or even in the functional subject. So let's ask Banky for help. Um, about this wheelchair, I have 90 kilos. Is this a good product for me? And let's say, oh, Banky said that this wheelchair cover 120 kilos. So with 90, I'm okay. And let's say like a more specific technical question. Um, let's say, what's the size of the rear wheel? Okay. What's the size of the rear wheel? Let's see what Banky has said. Oh, it has 24 inches. Thank you, Banky. Thank you for accelerating, help me having these answers so quickly and immediate. And now I think I'm okay, and I'm able to contact directly the publisher via a chat where we can send a message. Hi, este produto. Hi, this product is still available, and João Rodrigues will be able to receive our message, and later he will respond to it. Okay, and now this is the experience of the seeker, someone that is looking for a product. Now, let's switch for the perspective of someone who's looking for upload the products that he have and no longer fits to their needs. So let's say that I'm going to publish with Andrea. Okay, I will create a new ad, and this new ad will be an Andarido. I don't know how to say it in English. It's a product that helps people walking, and it has wheels as well. It's an Andarido. So it's an Andarido with wheels. And here we have another help from Banky. She has a suggestion based on the photo that I uploaded, and I will ask for her to help me. Yes, please give me a suggestion. Probably this is an accelerator, and I'm going to refine, I'm going to add or remove details, but this is a good starting point, and it will help people to create and structure a more detailed and objective description. And there is now I'm able to fill some other informations about the location, about the condition of the product, age, the weight. And here I can also add a document to be our knowledge-based information. So we can create the capacity of Banky, become an immediate expert on these products and be in a first-line support line to clarify technical and functional doubts from the end customer. Okay, I'm going to save the product, and this is our end flow. So as you see, we have some other built-in features to guarantee that our application is inclusive and everyone else can use it. So we have developed the capacity of recording and searching for products using my voice. I can activate a high contrast functionality for people who are colorblind to be able to read and to see the image perfectly. We have text version for the old-fashioned screen readers that sometimes have some problems with the icons and images and stuff like that. And we also added these size increasing for people with low vision to be able to see it better. So jumping back to the presentation, let me just share my screen real quick. And this is it. Enable Bank is a centralized solution, a sustainable solution as well, that wants to create a platform for donation, exchange, and sale of existing assistive products. This is obviously a cyclic flow that will help and promote a more healthy planet. Let's just generate less waste and ensuring that everyone have access to these type of products. Together, we can make the difference, right? Let's change the world. I guess that Banky already in. And you, are you in?